Hey, I'm Erica with WTI, and I've been looking for the perfect little compact juicer that's easy to use. And I found this cute little Joie Cactus juicer. So this juicer is really simple to use. All you do is cut your fruit in half, and then you're going to take one half of that fruit and twist it onto the juicer, just like I'm doing here. And then once you have both halves juiced, you can just pick up the little juicer. It has an easy pour spout and pour your juice into your glass. It also has a built-in strainer in the top part, so all those little pulp pieces and seeds are easily separated and don't get into your juice. It's also very simple to take apart and clean. You just twist it apart and then you're able to easily rinse both pieces. And my favorite part is it's super compact and easy to store. I absolutely love this little juicer. It's perfect for my needs, and I think you'd like it too. And that's just my point of view.